Good evening guys, and welcome to Pixel Tech, and I am your host Manan. Disclaimer, some of you might not agree with my conclusion and my take on this topic, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get started. Today Apple is considered as the one of best manufacturer and often referred as the luxury king in the technology department. You guys might came across the advertisement of the Mac Pro wheels, and even if you don't, you might know about the cheese grater Mac Pro. It's a testament to the ridiculousness of Apple's newly released Mac Pro wheels kit that, in a world where everything is ridiculous right now, it still seems really ridiculous. Sure, the wheels might be made of custom-designed stainless steel and rubber. Sure, they might make it easy to move your Mac Pro around. But for $699, ridiculous. And when adding wheels to the Mac Pro when making an initial purchase, Apple charges $400, but the standalone kit to be used after purchase is $300 more because the pre-purchase price includes the price of removing the $300 fee. Which is some moron type of excuses by Apple. Also, all these articles are just promoting Apple stuff for free. If you open any random article on Mac Pro wheels, you would find tons of Apple and other manufacturer products which you could buy for under $700. They aren't doing it intentionally, but they are just giving you a spot of context, but still it is a free marketing for Apple. So Apple is currently selling these wheels for a mind-bending price of $699, and that is bonkers on its own. For that hefty amount of money, you could buy a fairly decent laptop with 8 gigs of RAM and i5 processor. So the question arises, why is the wheel for a PC even a thing? And even making video about one worth it? So the short answer is, there is no need of wheels on any kind of sort of PC. And making video is also not the greatest decision. But the long answer is that it is all marketing gimmick of Apple to show their presence in the market and show their unnecessary luxury division. Even the whole concept of Mac Pro is a gimmick. Less than 1% of current users will able to use the complete processing power of that PC. And everyone knows that the wheels would have never cost that much money. You could make exactly same wheels with less than $150. And fun part is that MKBHD has shown that the wheels itself doesn't have any kind of brakes to it, so it means that you are basically rolling your $7,000 Mac Pro on useless $700 wheels. But the point is that due to this marketing stunt, they got limelight for free. If you search for Mac Pro wheels, then you would get hundreds of thousands of video and article talking about the wheels and how useless is even the stand and display for normal people. But as everyone suggests, marketing is marketing, whether it is good or bad. Even this video is a slight of free marketing for Apple. But the point is still tons of YouTubers have put their money on one, and many people have purchased just to make video. Even they know, and also you guys know, that it will not help people by any sort of mean. So now you add the total price of full Mac Pro setup with $5,000 Retina Pro display, the $1,000 Mac Pro stand, the $700 wheels and the CPU itself, it cost over $12,000 for base spec, if you could call it basic by any mean. So the conclusion is that, it is more of marketing over function, and not many people are gonna buy one. And if you ask me, the whole idea of Mac Pro is not for us or even any YouTuber. Unless you are Linus, MKBHD, Sam Kolder, or maybe Peter McKinnon, who make mind-bending 8K video rendering. That's it from my side. Hope you guys like this video and share it if you find it interesting. Also check out Linus and MKBHD take on the $700 wheels. Stay safe and stay healthy. Peace. One last announcement, you guys could win free Amazon gift cards. You just have to smash that subscribe button and help us reach 25k subs. And we will donate Amazon gift cards to 10 lucky winner.